You got the wrong guy. I'm the dude, man.
Road trip! Alright, y'all, here's part 3 of the road trip to Austin. Found some awesome stuff in this last leg. I'll definitely be going back again. Check out what we found.
I think we got that covered.
Oh.
Hello.
Hey. Good morning. You guys looking for something specific?
No, just looking.
Just looking?
Yeah.
The Americans, when you're born, right, you have a dirt bike. It's there when you get up. You're in the maternity ward and they put you straight on the dirt bike.
That's right.
Unbelievable, you guys, with your dirt bikes.
Yep.
Is the jacket for sale?
Absolutely. It's a BMW jacket.
Oh, never mind. Never mind.
There's another two over there, but they're not for sale. They're mine.
Oh,
I
okay.
used to do a bit of racing and stuff like that on bikes.
That's very cool.
But, that's gorgeous. That's made by BMW. The only thing that's
Did it
not
have
on
your
there,
name on it?
It
Was that?
did do.
Is that what the?
Did do.
Okay.
Unfortunately, that's the only thing, so I took it off. But the only thing you would probably need is a back brace.
Mm-hmm.
But you got the shoulder.
Yeah.
And you got the. I had those actually made, so I got something. I did fall off. Help you out.
That's cool. How much you want for that?
You know, for $30.
30.
Yeah.
What's in the box?
These are specific things. This is I don't know whether you do. Obviously, guys who do a lot of off-road. That's a BMW off-road brace.
Okay.
So in other words, if you've got a helmet on, you put it on top. Goes like this.
Yep.
There's the. Put it right there.
Okay.
And then when your helmet's on top, and you come off, your head doesn't. You won't snap
Flop
your neck.
around. Yeah.
Well, most of the guys got it on there now, but this is a BMW version because I used to wear it with this.
Okay. How much were you asking for the brace?
I don't know, to be quite honest. They're quite expensive. 40?
Yeah.
Done. It's normally, if you go online and you put that in there, they're normally about 250 bucks.
250 bucks.
But that's almost brand new. I haven't even, I think I wore it once.
Okay.
Because I got another one inside, which is the same one. I had two of them.
Oh, did you pull that aside?
Oh, yeah, I was looking at it.
Okay.
Did you want
I'm
it?
sorry. Yeah, I do.
Okay.
Yeah.
If you don't want it, she's gonna take it.
Right. But
well-
you had this. I'm sorry. I thought.
Yeah, it's all good.
Put it down.
It's all good. Would you do 60 for both?
Yeah.
Yeah?
I do.
Okay, cool. Thank you for that.
Sure.
How you doing?
Hey, what's up? Are these like the donate ones?
Yes. Yes, exactly. We just had an I work for a nonprofit and we had someone just donated so many.
Oh, really?
I had them in my
Do you have more than this?
I do.
Yeah? How much are you asking for them?
Three for each bag.
How many bags you got?
I got a bunch.
Yeah?
Yeah, you need them?
If you give me a bulk deal, I will, yeah.
Yeah, they're awesome socks.
Yeah.
My kids all have them. Want me to bring out what I have?
Yeah.
Sure.
Oh, dang.
Whoa.
Yeah.
That's a box.
50 for the whole box.
50?
$5 for that.
Yeah, we had like, I don't know, I had about 5 of those boxes.
Really?
Just staff, yeah. I work for a nonprofit. And
Okay.
we just have extra. I don't know what to do with them. We have to stack them. It's a little bag.
How many are there?
Socks, socks. I like socks. Do you like socks? 'Cause I do. Sock.
Did you have 40 for the box?
Yeah, that's fine.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay, cool.
It's very cute though. But do we need all of the other stuffed animals? Like, I feel like maybe just more. I know you
There
love
you
it.
go.
Sir, I appreciate that.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Maybe we
thank
should
you.
just like take a walk.
You probably already saw the sales that I put up. But yeah, over $400 in profit so far. I'm going to end up making about $600 on all these socks. If you see these Bombas, make sure you pick them up. Sell them in lots of 5. Can't go wrong. Hey, what's going on? Let's see if you have any video games or any cool stuff.
We didn't even get to that yet.
No?
Yeah.
We're just cleaning out some rooms. Mainly just kids' clothes.
If you need
Yeah.
a crib or a fridge or any kids' clothes, boys in particular.
Nope.
Okay. Yeah, no. Mine are 11 and 13.
Yeah. Ours is 9, so we're like done with it.
So. What about that little car thing?
Oh yeah, this is.
How much would you say on this?
Just you could just make.
Like
an
$5?
offer. That's fine.
Yeah, cool. Looks like fun to mess with my son.
Hey, we'll get coffee.
Yeah, there you go.
Have a good one.
What video games are you looking for?
Anything and everything, man. I do a lot of old stuff, but I also do like the newer Xbox, PlayStation stuff. Nintendo's my favorite, but I'm interested in it all, though.
I got stuff upstairs. That's the only reason why I asked.
What do you got?
I have a bunch of, I don't know how many, but I have some PS1 games, PS2 games, PS3 games.
I'd be interested if you want to.
And then I probably have somewhere in there Nintendo,
Yeah,
like the original one.
yeah. I'd definitely be interested if you. And I'll wait.
You know where it's at?
Yeah, they're all in. Yeah, give me 5 minutes and I'll go look.
Okay, cool.
Those are brand new. My son never wore them.
Yeah.
They come with the box too. And there's some Doc Martens over there too. He literally wore those one time and then grew out of them.
How much you want for those? 20?
I think I put 20, but you can make an offer.
That's the, like, people are becoming more and more open to
Yeah.
use stuff because number one, things are getting so expensive. Money's not worth as much. Is this new? Was this ever used?
It's brand new.
Yeah.
I didn't even use that.
Yeah, we had one. How much is this one? Bjorn?
Yeah, I don't know. I don't know. You give me $5 if you want for that.
Cool.
If you want to take it.
So what would you do on these?
Maybe 20 on those.
Would you do 10 on them?
Sure.
Yeah.
Take them.
Alright.
They won't even go back in the house.
Alright, so I paid you for that.
Yeah.
And then I got 15 here.
Okay, cool.
And then if he brings anything out, then I'll add to that. What'd you find, man?
Yeah, I got a couple things.
Oh, sweet.
They're like, oh, that's what I like to see. It's funny, we just found that bag because I was going through all the stuff.
Yeah.
There's literally rummage in the back of a closet.
So you're familiar with the old Nintendos, right?
Oh yeah.
So
I'm 40, so I
Yeah, well, I always say-
well aware.
I only say that because your cash is going to fall out of your pocket.
Oh shit.
It works,
Uh-huh.
but it's a lot of back and forth with blowing on it to get it to go.
Yeah.
But I have the device so it works on new TVs.
Okay.
Because I just bought this like, I don't know, 2 months ago because I wanted to see if it worked.
It just was too flaky for you to.
I was trying to get it going for my son and he just didn't have any interest.
Yeah, yeah. Cool, cool. That's cool in itself, just the old sticker.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I don't know.
Are those both sealed?
Yeah.
You ever played it, or
No, I never played them.
just didn't have interest, or what?
I got them from my son. They just never.
Okay.
I got them at GameStop.
Yeah,
You know
okay.
how they have those specials every so often?
Yeah. Looks like they're resealed from GameStop or something.
Yeah.
Cool. Do you have any remotes for the controllers for the PS3? Do you know?
I do.
You do?
Yeah.
Okay.
The PlayStation gives you the blue. You familiar with that error code that it gives on the PS3s?
Oh, hell no! I'll probably pass on that then.
Yeah. No,
How much you want for this though?
just make me an offer on it.
What's in the bundle?
We got another bag.
We got another, I can get you another.
Was you like 20, 25 bucks?
Can you do 40?
40? 30?
That's fine.
Yeah? Okay. So I got these two as well, so that's 45. Yeah, I don't really need any of those games, so I think that should be it.
Yeah, just take the bag.
Take the bag?
Yeah.
Okay, cool. There is 45. Cool. Appreciate it. So that was a great way to end the video. Always love to see old school NES at a garage sale, especially when they have a bunch of baby stuff out and you gotta ask for the good stuff. Make sure to like and subscribe. I got a whole lot of other videos coming up, so make sure you stay tuned.
Cowabunga, dude!
You're still here? It's over. Go home.